taxi operator shot dead near Linstead. Man reportedly held with firearm in Portland identified and charged. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A taxi operator was fatally shot near Linstead, St. Catherine, Saturday afternoon. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Kean Bartley, otherwise called Rimhead of Bango Town in Victoria District, Linstead. Reports are that around noon, residents heard explosions and made checks. Bartley's body was found in blood on the side of the road with what appears to be gunshot wounds. He was clad in a pair of jeans shorts, a merino, and black shoes. The police were called to the scene, which was processed and the body removed to the morgue. No motive has been established for Bartley's death. The man who was arrested in connection with the seizure of one Smith & Wesson pistol and several rounds of ammunition in St. Margaret's Bay, Portland on Friday, May 24, has been charged. Police stated that the man, Fabian Hall, a 32-year-old construction worker of Union in Hope Bay, Portland, has since been charged with unauthorized possession of ammunition and possession of a prohibited weapon. Reports are that about 2:35 a.m., a police team saw Hall along the roadway and accosted him. The team searched him after suspecting he may be carrying a weapon. The handgun, which was loaded with several 9mm cartridges, was taken from him. Hall was arrested and subsequently charged following a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. His court date is not yet finalized.